J Speed, what's up here, all you fellow YouTubers, J Speed fans? Has your HUD ever gone out on your 04 to 09 Prius? So you got to give that screen a little bit of time before those options pop up. So got a code for audio HU, but watch, it won't clear. It won't clear. This is after flashing your headlights on and off 3 times rapidly in succession while holding down the info button on the second button down from the left on your display. Anyways, if you want to clear this, the only way to do it is to hold your finger down on it. Alright, J Speed, peace out. We'll see what comes back up here, and then I'll let you off the hook for now. Thanks for watching. Really high-speed computer in here. Hey, it went back to okay. J Speed, peace out. Save the planet, drive a Prius, hybrid or electric. But if you're gonna drive something gas, go fast. J Speed, peace out.